¿Preparadas? This is the chicken song. Come on. Give me some love and affection. I can get enough. Yeah, to get me a secret protection. I took a so I cry. I can recognize no problem, no part, no total pie. I wasn't given the quills of the porcupine. Little chicken out the kitchen, you were never told. Not the hand that raised you, wanted to butcher you. I thought you should know, come on. Little chicken out the kitchen, where are you heading? The way that you chose was never taught him before. Give us a love and affection. You can blind it to spread. We can get so close to perfection that you was never there. No one really knows what she did before, but there's a glint in her eye. If we must take her own skin to the back, and that says low, level. Never take that out the kitchen. You were never told. Now the hand that raised you, wanted to butcher you. I thought you should know, come on. Never take her out the kitchen. Where are you headed? Them chicken, never without your chosen. Was never done it before. And your eyes, and your balls, and your heart was meant to beat somebody else's dream. You better put up with it. Little chicken out the kitchen, you were never told. Now the hand that raised you, wanted to butcher you. I thought you should know, come on. Little chicken out the kitchen, where are you headed? Red chicken, the way that you told it, who's never done it before? Gracias. Somos Vancouver. Maletín.
Arriba.
Vamos. Promised myself I wouldn't come to you. Was that been of no other pensar? I knew I would come back from the country. I never settled down, didn't quit my place. It took us to pensar. I knew I would come back. You said I was candy. Now I can see why. The skulls are rocking, yeah. You have your own ways that come better than none. Found a pretext to turn up here again, and didn't want to show I can't depend. It was you I needed. Didn't listen to the warning. Oh, my friends, they said you were a bad mother. I was blind. And you and mine. Hey, you said I was candy. Now I can see why. The skulls are up, yeah. You have your own ways that come with that noise. You said I was candy. can see well. Scouts are dropping it. Have your own ways that can be done. No, that can be done. Gracias, amigos. Este era el pájaro malo, Bad Bad Bird. Muy bien. Happiness is very easy to attain. It's a question of a subway, some cliche. Look around and see what you can get. It will prove so very silly. In the end, Santa's turn into that silly happiness. Going back is always hopeless and grotesque. Coming with your seconds of respect when idiots keep on silly. Someone else's happiness. I don't want to spoil your silly happiness, even when it hurts my feelings. Now I'm there. I wish I could find your emptiness and look for my own silly happiness. Oh, happiness. Since so sadness drives so well. When you're getting everything, very making sparks and soul. That's why it's meant to rise on the top. In the city at night, there's so much you can't find. It's ready made it, you can pay the price. I don't want to spoil your silly. It's okay, I can see that I got something in between. Happiness is hardly ever shared. Always getting between us for happiness. Sense of sadness drives so well. When you're getting everything, merry making sparks of sorrow. That's why it's meant to rise on this soul. Hey! But in the city lies happiness. There's so much you can't find of happiness. It's ready made it, you can pay the price. Happiness is very easy to attain. It's a question of some question. I could sacrifice your emptiness and look for my own silly happiness. 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 I don't wanna spoil you silly happiness, even when it hurts my feelings. I don't want to spoil you silly happiness, even when it hurts my feelings. La 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 la.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias, amigos. nothing but wait. Was some bumblebees wonder if she'll be to the taste. Sweet enough that it will never ride in the rain. Oh, but she hasn't come yet. I shake the cocktail one more time. 5 or 6 hours like the sugar brim of a glass. I pull myself another white one on the method as a chorus line. And my cockroach darkness cloud over, she is on the now. Oh, but she doesn't come. Why did she simply decline my invitation? She could have made some good story then for me to understand. Now it's way past midday and I put off the lights. The most meeting is adjourned and the ends carry away my head. The cricket's very angry. He was meant to wear an attack. And the grass up the corner like progress and just the why did selfless decline my invitation? She could have made some story then. She could have made some story then. She could have made some story then for me to understand. When it's over, join again as nights go by.
Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias. Winter's closer every day. Gotta put away my skirts. I hate it for mess in my legs, but it's alright now. I've been making lots of plans, building castles in the sand. Hating you for messing in my tent, but it's alright now. Reach out and hold me again. I'll stand and really stupid me. I'll be back with no regret, no questions and no answers. Reach out and hold me again, 'cause nobody made me feel that way. Now they melt away like flakes. Soon as you come over to say that it's alright now. Winter's closer every day. Something's finally dissolving in the air. I didn't think I could stand it, but it's alright now. Reach out and hold me again. Time has really stood to me. I'll be back with no regret, no questions, and no answer. Reach out and hold me again, 'cause nobody made me feel that way. I'll be back with no regret, no questions, and no answer. Nobody, baby.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias. I broke your typewriter so I can have some Huntington pistol cry over when you're gone. I broke your typewriter, cause me the words come by no emotion that looks so very cool. Bring the twist of the soul. I'm one of those kids so kinds of silly reminders. Ooh, such a sentimental fool. A pleasant felt comfort. It is no tragedy. It is sad lousy solitude. Oh, sentimental. Oh, sentimental. Oh, sentimental fool. And the more details in quick one. nuestro último hijito. Tenemos un montón, no sabéis. Venga, nuestra última creación. Listening to that song we played a million times. Everything you had run settled again. Friends, I know where your scars look beautiful. And then speaking, but you need no silly chance. I'm gonna hold you before you hit the ground. Uh-oh, I wanna hold you before you hit the ground. Uh-oh, I'm gonna hold you before you hit the ground. Uh-oh, spring to your feet, walk out of tears. Sitting in your couch, your soul is splitting. Your body's asking you for no more words. Life is hard enough to give up everything. Memories will never call a truth. Hey, I'm gonna hold you before you hit the ground. Uh-oh, I'm gonna hold you before you hit the ground. Uh-oh, I'm gonna hold you before you hit the ground. Uh-oh, spring to your feet, walk out of tears. I'm gonna hold you. Yes, I'm gonna hold you before you hit the ground. Uh-oh, I'm gonna hold you before you hit the ground. Uh-oh, I'm gonna hold you, kiss before you hit the ground. Uh-oh, I'm gonna hold you before you hit the ground. Safe and now. Gracias. Mi papel. Suele pasar con mi papel. Estoy. Takes time to get over that smile and answer. I am the patient, so don't take it away. Don't take it away, cause it's your days that can hold me together. When I go to pieces, and you know it too much too often. Can't smile away this class. I never seem to be in the right mood. So show me with a wink of your eye. Standing with a flag or a sack. Pardon me and they attack. Cause I get there's no better way to say goodbye. Go mad and guess you have a right to. This may not be fair, but what can I do? What can I do? Well, anybody's after the night. And I wish the currently smile. Show me with a wink of your eye. Stop me with a frown or a sigh. Pardon me and I pass. Cause I did spark in your eyes when you smile. I keep telling myself I'm the one who kindles it out. And I know that as long as it's there, I'm alive. I know that I'm alive. No, but I am alive. Alive. Come on in. Takes time to get over, that's not happening. I am impatient, so don't take it away. Don't take it away, 'cause you're dead to go home and together. When I go to pieces, I can know it's too much to your soul. Shiver with a wink of your eye, starting with a young or a sigh. Pardon me, and then you're crying, 'cause I did. There's no better way to say goodbye. There it goes. Sugar with a wink of your eye. Sugar baby, stab me with a frown or a sigh. Sugar, bury me and lay your heart, 'cause I did. There's no better way to say goodbye. There's no better way to say goodbye. Gracias. Bueno, el silencio mata, así que sigamos haciendo un poquito de ruido. The reasons that you gave, like flowers on my grave. Can't reverse the deadly cause we're started. Listen to these words, I'm speaking to myself. And I won't let you see my gloomy self. Yes. Silence kills, that's what you have. I will bother you no more with my desire. Now we can be friends, 'cause I won't be around. Yes, we can be friends, 'cause I won't be around. Yesterday I took the pages that you wrote, burst out laughing as if I had got my own bed. You trampled it up, the honey and the gold, made me feel just like a broken toy. Silence kills, and that's what you have. I will bother you no more with my desire. Now we can be friends, 'cause I will be around. Yes, we can be friends, 'cause I will be around. to get you. Like flowers on my grave. Can't reverse the death because we're started. Don't listen to this words, I'm sticking to myself. And I won't let you see my gloomy side.
Gracias. Guapas. Ay.
Good
Y eso con anginas. Imaginaos cuando se ponga bueno.
Let it go.
Es nuestra primera canción y es la última hoy, ¿vale? Esta consiste en cantarla, así que intentadlo.
Sí, el único estribillo para todos. My heart is in a prison tank. No matter how I try, there's no way in and no way out. And my soul no longer busts my name. 'Cause in a distant place, no one hears what you say. There is this to say, 'cause I don't have the courage to play. All I want is a resident to live when I'm told let it go. Let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go. Let it go. My heart is in a prison tank. No matter how I try, there's no way in and no way out. And my mind is something like a train. It's something like a train that's heading miles and miles of me. That's heading miles and miles of me. That's heading miles and miles of me. Listen to say, 'cause I truly have the courage to prove. All I want is a reason to believe what I'm told. Let it go. Let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go. Let it go, let it go. Let it go. This to say, 'cause I truly have the courage to play. All I want is a reason to believe when I'm told let it go. Let it go, 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 let's go home and everything I let it go, let it go. No one ever wondering why. Let it go, let it go. I don't wanna play. I don't understand. Let it go. Let it go. Please let it go. Let it go. Esto ha sido todo. Muchas gracias. Sois maravillosos.
Se nos va a usar el arroz, pero bueno, una más.
Venga, una más, ya que hemos venido, ¿no? Todos.
Rey Desastre. to work. So don't play with my job anymore. I never saw it yet, so we're responsible. Before take this house, made you set your eyes on me. But for my body, for my personality, someone told me, some told me to keep your own. They never noticed, just take it back through my door. I really have to work, so don't play with my toe anymore. I never saw a kid so irresponsible before. I need to tell it. I want you to sit down by my side and tell me I'm a fool. 'Cause if you chose to be my friend, it means that I'm more special in the world. In the world. Come on. I really have to work, so don't play with my job anymore. I never saw it, so we're responsible. Before kick this house down, representative before, and never did it, and just take the time.